Mississippi roast.
Mississippi roast.
Intro.
Take one.
Clayton, you don't need to clap if we already have a clap.
I feel like that's what you told me to do. What up, everybody? It's your boy Clayton Hensel coming to you from the Uncommon Beastro. We want to make you a beast in the home by making you a beast in the kitchen. The more time you spend with your family around a table, the greater impact and legacy you're going to leave. I've got my friend Ryan Garrity, also known as Rye, also known as Rye Bread, helping me out. And today, what are we making?
Today we're making a Mississippi roast. Super easy. Just throw everything in the crock pot, turn it on, and it's good to go.
We got like 5 ingredients here. When you come home from work, one, your house is going to smell good, which means your wife doesn't have to buy more Yankee candles and a little less potpourri. Second thing is you're going to be able to spend more time hanging out with your kids because you're not spending the whole evening cooking. I'm telling you, this is going to make a difference. Let's take a look at what we're going to need. Now that you've got all the ingredients you need, what's our first step, Ryan?
First step is to just really throw everything in this here crock pot, and then we're gonna crank this sucker on high for about 4 to 5 hours.
Question.
And it's ready to go.
Meat in here.
Yeah, meat. And
boom. What
done.
kind of crock pot do we need, Ryan? Do we need a particular kind?
Really just any crock pot that has a high and low setting would be good.
Do I sprinkle this?
Yeah, seasonings go on next.
Do I sprinkle it just like that?
Yeah, you want just beautiful shots like that. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Try to get it on the meat though.
Yeah, you think that's important? And then we put a little bit of this in. Oh yeah. Where's your water at?
Oh, see that 4th cup?
Yeah.
Yeah, just fill that up with water. Halfway.
Wait, did she say use that or the other one?
Oh yeah, yeah, that one. Good call. I don't think we'd be that bad, but. Just instant.
Got a little. We got Aquafina piped into the house here. Can I throw this in now?
Yeah, throw that in there, right on the sides here. You don't want to put it right on top because the butter's gonna really soak into it.
And how much is this again?
That's like a half a cup, half of a half,
All
like
right.
an eighth cup.
Can I put this in?
Yeah, go ahead.
You want that on the sides or right on top of the meat?
Usually I put it on the sides, sprinkle it, like, yeah. You can be a little, this is where the artistic part comes in.
Well, people have always said, Clayton, you're quite the artist.
I'm sure they have. And then 3 little tablespoons of butter, just right on top there.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So you went artful on the peppers.
Look at
but
that,
not
all
the
3
butter.
of them there.
Okay, no, I was just, there we go. All right, and then lid on.
Do you have to have one that has a latching mechanism?
Sometimes, yeah.
Okay. What kind of junky thing do you got here?
Well, first of all, this is your crock pot, so.
Well, you can tell how many times I've used it.
All right, so then you just close that.
Close it up, take it over, plug it in.
Yep, take it over, and then we're gonna put it on high for 4 to 5 hours.
High for 4 to 5 hours.
You got it over there? You okay?
Yeah, not a problem. I'm just,
Yeah, you just plug it in.
yeah, and then high.
Yep.
What do we got here? I have literally never used one of these. All right, little cheers action. Let's try this thing. A little Mississippi roast. That is unbelievable. Now,
I can get down with that.
If you want to make it a little bit more uncommon,
I
you don't
disagree.
necessarily need to.
I disagree.
Sorry. Tomorrow's lunch just got a little loud. We're having fillets.
Is that how you say it?
Yeah, it's fillets. You always pronounce the T.
Oh, that is spot on.
We should have eaten the other one first.
Terrible. We're gonna have like PETA calling us.
Yep, the Mississippi Rufus roast. It is delish.
Wow, you went through all of it.
Home run. The nice thing I love about this meal is it's almost a set it and forget it.
Yeah.
The tough part about this meal is that it requires a lot of something that I have very little of. Patience. That's one of the frustrating things is I read here in Galatians chapter 5, it says, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience. Means that I've got to learn how to wait on God. I've got to leave room and be patient while my family matures in Christ, while my kids grow in Christ, while the people around me grow in Christ. I can want significant changes overnight in everybody's life. And in fact, I have patience for myself, but sometimes I have no patience for everybody else. If you're going to be the godly man that your family needs, you've got to develop patience. You've got to be willing to be on the journey for the long haul. If we tried to serve this roast 5 minutes after it was in the crock pot, 10 minutes after it was in the crock pot, it would have been bad for absolutely everybody. You have to make sure that you take the time to do what's right so that way you bring the greatest amount of fruit and love into your family's life. Hopefully you choose to be uncommon, and hopefully you choose to not be ordinary. We're hoping that this is a blessing to your life. Keep staying tuned. Can't wait to see you next time. Peace out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this past episode of the Uncommon Beastro. We've got a couple things that we believe will be beneficial to you as you continue your journey of being uncommon. One of them is chooseuncommon.com. There you can find the store, our registration for upcoming events. You can see the blog, and you can also see who we're booking for our conference. I want to remind you guys, our conference is coming up June 19th and 20th of 2020. We believe it's going to be the biggest and best one we've ever had. And it is never too early to register. So I want you to register and every person you have influence over so we can take this ground together. Every single one of us need to take a step of faith with Christ, and this conference is going to help all of us do that collectively. Second thing I want to make you guys aware of that would be a huge help to us is if you'd hit that subscribe button and if you click that bell so that way you get the notification when our next video is coming out, because we want these to continue to be a blessing to your life and we don't want you to miss them. We love you all. Believe in the best. Have a great one.